Hello, everyone. It's Samuel Adela Music here once again, and today I'm going to be talking about the mindset every musician should have when they are trying to do, like, before they hit record. Understand? Before you hit record on that session, what should your mindset be like when you are recording? Number one thing, assume the process. Like, yes, have an idea of where you want to go, but don't be left out of the process. Just so that, okay, this is a jazz record that I want to do. Once you say this is a jazz record that you want to do, what you're going to do next is try and listen to songs along the lines of the record you want to do before that session. So let's say it's a Afro pop or Afrobeat. Listen to a lot of Afrobeats before coming into that session, before even hitting record on that session, before aligning or designing your template. First and foremost, listen to as many songs as possible, because in this new age and day, time is of the essence, and you want to achieve so much. From the time you hit record to the time you are done with the project, to the mixing and the mastering session, you want to be able to, like, oh yes, we've got this covered. So number one, listen to a lot of records. There are many. I mean, Burna Boy is releasing records every minute, every day. Davido is releasing. Ayastar is releasing. So many, content. So many new videos. Davido dropped the Timeless album, and it was amazing. We've not even gone to the likes of Wizkid, likes of AKA, downright to the Amapiano, downright to the gospel session, the Mercy Chinwos, the Dossier Accounts. Listen to as many records as possible in line with what you want to record, in line with what you want to do, so that when you are playing, you are drawing from a wealth of experience. Because that's what most people don't do. They don't draw from a wealth of experience, and that what word should I use now? You can really tell when the producer doesn't really have a hang on what they're doing. Honestly speaking, you can tell when a producer doesn't have a hang on what they're doing. But number two, aside from listening to the records, design your template. If you are the producer in charge of that project, design your template. Have a template. Not if maybe you're doing a rap session, or you've got their beats, you put it in your section timeline. You have, like, okay, this is how you want to record it. If it's a gospel record, you already have your template in your door, whether you're using Ableton or you're using Logic or you're using Studio One or you're using Pro Tools. Align your tracks, your audio tracks, get that sorted out first. So number one, aside from listening to the records, if you are the producer for that session or for that thing, get yourself ready. Load it in the timeline such that when the artist comes in, all they're going to do is just press record, take one, take two. Even if you are the musician, make sure you've got new strings. I've seen so many bass players, guitar players, you see them playing with strings of Thy Kingdom Come, ancient of days strings, and then you start complaining that your tone is not bright enough. Let's say you are doing a music that has a lot of slap music, and you are in a lot of slap bass, and you are like the resident. You are the one playing the bass for that song, and you are coming in with old strings. When you pluck the bass, how will it sound bright? How will it cut through in the song? You understand? And if you are a musician, maybe it's a gospel record and you are playing know the song, know where the verses, even though yes, there's a lot of takes and retakes and all that, know the song. Don't overplay in a record. Give what the song needs. Let me say it again. Don't overplay. Don't take away from the song. One thing people don't realize is, aside from the beat, two things are very important in the music: the rhythm element and the vocal element. You see, there are some music you listen to, you're not even concerned about the voice. It's the rhythm. You're like, oh, you're already shaking your head. That's because the rhythm person got it on lockdown. Got their this on lockdown. But and also there are some other songs whereby it's the once you hear maybe Taylor Swift, you're like, ooh, or Beyonce, or Tiwa Savage, or Mercy Chinwo, or Sumisola Agbabi, or or Jay-Z, or the list is endless. You're just like, oh, that's voice is unique. You just want to listen, you want to bask in it. And sometimes the feel as a record musician or as a session musician always arrive on time. Like arrive on that has always killed so many projects. Always arrive on time before the said artist come in. If the main lead artist, yes, they are supposed to be as a musician, be there, prep your stuff. If you're a lead guitarist, make sure your pedal is up to date. It's not like it's in the middle. Even as a producer, make sure your laptop, your gear is up to date. That it's not when you want to start the project, then it's not saying, oh, Windows updating. I've seen that happen countless times. Like, I can't begin to tell you guys how many times that has happened when I go and play for a project, and then when we get there in the studio, we'll now have to wait for an extra 30 minutes because why? The producer who is still updating one, sometimes it does come as a shock sometimes, but make sure that is sorted. If you have control over it, make sure that is sorted. So I'll just leave you guys with these few gems. Maybe if I should add one more to it is, as a session musician, always be true to the music. Be true to the music. Don't overgive, don't undergive. Clear what is right, do what is right. Don't play too much chops for a song that just need groove. That is why most drummers who play a lot of chops today, they don't even get like nice, like the income. The income is in groove. The groove. Are you locking in with the kick, with the snare? It's not every time it's back. Sometimes the song requires you to use a side stick like that. You understand? So I'll leave you guys to this. If this has helped you so far, I'm gonna drop a playlist. I think I'm gonna leave it like right here, Bandcamp, where you see how I interact with band members. You can also see like some session videos of me in the studio. I'll just put the playlist here. You can go watch it, and if you like what we're doing here, like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. Let them learn. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao. Peace.